Hello and welcome to today's news bulletin for BioSpectrum. Let's have a look at today's headlines. Google to launch a screening test for depression in US. Staten Biotechnology publishes preclinical data that shows the potential of a drug candidate to treat dyslipidemia. Canada and Kedrion Biopharma receive FDA approval for KDRAP. People in the US will soon have an option to take a screening test on Google to know if they are depressed or not. The search giant Google's The Knowledge Panel has information on what depression is, what are its symptoms, and the possible treatments. The update adds the option to tap on check if you are clinically depressed and take a clinically validated screening questionnaire called PHQ-9. The self-assessment is private and is meant to help steer people who might be depressed toward in-person evaluation. According to National Alliance on Mental Illness (NAMI), clinical depression is a fairly common condition with almost 1 in 5 Americans experiencing an episode in their lifetime. However, only 50% of people who have depression in the country get treated for it. Staten Biotechnology is a young biotech company in the Netherlands focusing on treating dyslipidemia and reduce cardiovascular mortality. It signed a deal with a Belgian company Agenex in 2015 that resulted in the Dutch biotech licensing the option to license the nanobody ARGX-116 earlier this year. The company has now published its preclinical data that shows the potential of the drug candidate to treat dyslipidemia through mice experiments. ARGX-116 could bind and reduce the levels of ApoC3, a protein that stimulates the accumulation of lipids and triglycerides in blood, which has been linked to cardiovascular mortality. The results have encouraged Staten to proceed with the development of the drug candidate with Agenex entitled to receive royalties on the income it generates. KDRAP, a plasma-derived human rabies immune globulin, represents a new entry into $100 million plus US rabies prevention market where only two products exist. Rabies, a serious public health concern, is one of the world's oldest and most deadly diseases. Approval of KDRAP comes from the positive data generated during the Phase 2 and Phase 3 study of 118 healthy subjects conducted in the US. KDRAP is the second product of Canada approved by FDA. Kedrion Biopharma is a world-leading supplier of high-titer rabies plasma, the raw material used in the manufacture of human rabies immunoglobulin. That's all for today. Thank you. For more videos, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel BioSpectrum India.